Hello everybody, Ernest Emerson here, and I've got with me today the Emerson Folding Steak Knife. And I designed this knife because so many times go into a restaurant, they hand you a knife made out of tin, dull as butter, and put a nice steak on your plate and expect you to be able to cut it. Well, it doesn't cut it. And we kept getting a lot of photos from people saying, here, look what I did with my Commander or my CQC7 or my A100. And they'd have a picture of their steak with all chopped up into pieces and on a plate in a restaurant. And I thought, wow, you know what? The guys are using these Emerson knives to cut their steaks. Let's give them a real steak knife. So I designed this knife with a design that I knew would work well for cutting meat. And it has a real nice, a longer blade that comes up to a point that finishes right at the top of the center line. So you always have a nice amount of edge to introduce into that nice fillet that you're cutting. It opens up with a thumb button on top. It has our signature see-through design so that if you get anything inside there, dirt, debris, or grease, if you will, you can just wash it out and it won't affect the insides of the knife, the lockup and things like that. It also has a clip so that you can carry it in your pocket and always have it with you. You can see right here is a nice little lanyard hole if you want to attach a lanyard to it. And we use again, a massive 250, that's a 1/4 inch diameter pivot bolt, so that we get a tremendous amount of strength in that area, because that again is an important thing for a folding knife. The knife has a very ergonomic handle. It's got a nice little subtle curves and a clip on it. It's a great design that you can use in a forward grip. You can use it in a reverse grip. You can grab it like this. You could even grab it like this. And the reason for that is because when I design a knife, I design it so that even if it's a steak knife, it's still a great utility folder. And you may have to use it in any variety of grips. And again, that's the key, again, to a lot of Emerson designs, is the Emerson ergonomics. And in fact, this is the same knife. I've got my knife right here. This is the one I carry on a daily basis. You can see it's a little beat up, but that is the Emerson Steak Knife. And it's such a good design that I carry it for my everyday carry folder. And of course, I use it for cutting steaks and all that too. So if you're in a restaurant and someone who is at your table is having trouble getting through that New York strip, you can pull this knife out of your pocket and simply say, you know what, let me get that for you. And it's definitely going to impress the rest of the people at the table. The Emerson Folding Steak Knife. You can find the link to this knife in the description below, and check out all our knives over at Emerson Knives. They're built to last, they're built for performance, and I guarantee they will not let you down, because my name is on every single one.